As a senior cloud architect and expert in Azure, I'm here today to share with you how to not just protect your business with regards to emails and the often overlooked security aspect, but rather master it through remediating risks using Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Here's how it plays out in real life within a cloud engineering environment. First things first, have you ever stopped to wonder why Defender is the go-to choice in our industry? It has evolved over time, but one thing remains constant: a comprehensive security solution that fits into our cloud-centric business models. Today, let's take a stroll through it, shall we? Picture yourself in a scenario where your organization faces a coordinated attack. Emails are inundated with malicious links and attachments, and it seems like you are just playing whack-a-mole. Now, envision Defender's automated response solution kicking in. It not only identifies these threats but begins the process to automatically quarantine malicious emails, providing you with the time to analyze the threat's scope while keeping your operations safe. Defender doesn't stop there. It taps into advanced threat intelligence, identifies patterns, and even suggests remediation techniques to your security team, reducing the manual workload significantly. And all of this in an efficient, user-friendly dashboard customizable to your organization's risk appetite and policies. Now, diving deep into the specifics. Setting Defender requires strategic implementation. Start by understanding your business context. What's critical? How do your risk appetite and compliance policies look? Based on that, customize the rules and exceptions appropriately. It's all about calibrating those threat definitions to balance protecting your business without hindering productivity. Configuring Defender includes configuring advanced audit policies that track specific activities while protecting sensitive information within your organization. You are essentially creating a security environment tailored precisely to your needs without reinventing the wheel. I find that custom tailoring defenses this way aligns with agile methodologies and CI/CD practices for a seamless user experience. What about the what-if moments when something slips through the cracks? That's where advanced troubleshooting steps into the game. Defender doesn't just highlight the issues, it provides root cause analysis and detailed forensic data. As a cloud engineer, this is where your expertise in diagnostics comes into play, correlating data points and pinpointing the source of any security breaches quickly and accurately. And for the all-important remediations, Defender offers sandbox environments to safely analyze malware and other harmful items. It's your secret weapon to understand and contain threats without damaging your systems. Plus, with its built-in learning capability, the more Defender learns, the smarter it becomes. In the cloud engineering world, staying a step ahead of threats and vulnerabilities isn't a one-time activity but an ongoing process. Regularly review threat intelligence, tuning Defender rulesets to the changing threat landscape. Keep your team in the loop with continuous learning and simulations of advanced attack vectors. It all builds a culture of cyber hygiene. Keeping your Defender updated and your security team trained is as crucial as your code is error-free. In fact, it's even more critical. It can become an integral part of your security posture without requiring significant IT infrastructure. As an engineer in the Azure cloud, I firmly believe in resiliency built into every system and process. As we draw to a close, remember, mastering risk remediation with Microsoft Defender for Office 365 is both an art and a science, all about strategically understanding your business, implementing adaptive solutions, and continuously learning from the environment. The cloud demands resilience and adaptability, and it's engineers like us who make that possible. And if you want to dive deeper into the strategies and insights I've shared, don't forget to visit neeraj.qzz.io. Here, you'll find more tech wisdom, just as you would in your daily coding. Oh, and how about subscribe to TechLab for the latest and greatest in cloud security technology? So here is your roadmap. Start with understanding your business needs and risk appetite. Move on to configuring MDFendo accordingly. Employ advanced troubleshooting tactics for real-time remediation. Keep educating and evolving with the best practices. Finally, ensure you visit neeraj.qzz.io and dive into TechLab, where tech is explored with passion and curiosity.